Cell C, Sound of the City, in association with Edgar's. The sound of Joburg, like you've never heard it before.
Sound of the City is a multi-genre showcase for different elements of South African music from the different provinces.
Art in the City was an art project. This is Sound of the City, which is the sounds that are unique to each of the cities. We need to support our country because our music is awesome, but give it to them at international production standards.
Sound of the City.
We're trying to give a broad base of genres because people are saying, people will only go and see a rock act or they'll only go and see a kwaito act. Here they get to see everything.
Nothing but very good music.
Whether it's rock or whether it's kwaito, it's actually about the song.
It's going to be very interesting to see the reaction of the people tonight.
I can touch one person, tonight, it'll be great.
Afrikaners is plezierig, dit kan julle glo. Hulle hou van wat sy doen, en dan maak hulle so. En dan maak hulle so, bly wie sy nog lief vir my. Bly wie sy nog lief vir my. Bly wie sy nog lief vir my.
Kasi ya rona mara like different types ya music.
In a way, we're just trying to educate ourselves and educate others about where actually South African music started.
Malaika brought people together, man. At the clubs all over, man, it's like Destiny has brought different cultures together. I mean, everyone loves Indian, colored, black, white.
There are different cultures in the country, by the way.
Normally we always have concerts where it's strictly blacks or it's strictly white. But now it's just like Gauteng,
What Cell C is doing a very great job. So we want to say
Big up, Celsi.
Celsi, sound of the city.